gonna use this on my toast because I don't have avocados. And I told you, you know, if the avocados is hard, you can pick this up. It's pretty good. Unless you want like whole avocados, but if you don't mind the guac, then yeah, this is a pretty good option. I'm gonna add some red pepper flakes. And that's it. That's my breakfast. I'm not really hungry, but I need to put sun in my system. I want some coffee. It always comes down to coffee. Good morning. Come inside. Come back. I gotta go. But you don't care. Wait. Come on. Hey, don't. Hey. Come. Come. All right, bye. I'm gonna close the door. That's it. Oh, you don't care today? Oh, okay. Well, I'm going to get ready. I'll be back. You just knock on the door when you're ready. Every time I press record, the long guy goes off. I want to tell him to cut it out for a second just so I can record and then he can continue doing what he's doing. So this is what I'm wearing today. I'm going to put up a vertical so I don't have to adjust this. But yeah, so I'm gapped out today. Gapped out. My hair is still wet. I washed it last night, so I just threw it in a braid. Nice and simple. That's it. I got these t-shirts from the Gap. I told you guys about the Friends and Family sale, right? As a matter of fact, ooh, the bunny is nice and calm. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna bring down, before I leave, I'm gonna show you. All right, I'll be back. I don't know how long it's gonna take. I'll be back, but he gotta do what he gotta do, so. Okay, it's quiet. All right, I'm waiting for Crate and Barrel or CB2 to text me so I can hurry up and go pick up my cocktail glasses. But this is what I'm wearing. Oh wait, I'm supposed to be showing you what I got from the Gap. Okay, so I'm gapped down today. I have on a t-shirt, some wide-leg jeans, and I'm gonna wear either a pair of Jordans or some Crocs. I'm not sure. Let me show you. Either, you know, it's those things that are so hard for me to make decisions. So I'm either gonna wear these. I'm gonna wear these. Did I say Crocs? I meant Birkenstocks. Okay. They're both fine. They're both cute. Just now, what am I in the mood for, really? I kind of think, I mean, I'm always in the mood for a good sneaker, but I kind of feel like I might just go with the Croc. I mean, why I keep calling them Croc? Birkenstocks. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I think this is what I'm gonna do. We shall see. And then I gotta get a bag. You know the bags. But I'm gonna wear my favorite bag. My favorite bag of the time. Yeah, my current my current favorite bag, I said it in my last video, or the video before, whenever, I said it previously, is the Polen Numero 9 bag in chalk. Because, I don't know, I think it's the shape of that bag that I really like. So, and all my stuff is already in it. That's an easy decision. But what I was going to wear, I pulled out a very, you know, this is my I gotta run errands bag. You've seen this before. If you've been here watching me, I think I carry this like in the summer mainly. So you've seen it if you've seen my summer vlogs. My vlogs from the summer. And then I whipped out this vintage Gucci. It is vintage because over 20 years is vintage, right? So I had this since 2002. So I was thinking I could just wear this. If I go with this, then I'm just gonna wear the Birkenstocks. But if I go with the Polen, I might do throw on the sneakers or the Birkenstock, whatever, you know. It's not that serious. Just running around. And yeah. Okay. So yeah, I guess, oh, let me show you what I got. Let me show you what I got. All right, so I got these jeans. These I have to get taken in. I could wear with a belt. Which, you know, whatever. So I got these jeans. I also got this t-shirt. So I bought 2 t-shirts. Same t-shirt. I bought a small. I bought a medium. This is a small. The medium is too boxy, so I'm taking that back, and I'm taking back. I bought 2 white button ups because you can never have enough button ups or button downs. Do you know how to tell if it's a button down or a button up? A button down has the buttons on the collar to button the collar down. That's the difference between a button up and a button down. Because you know you always hear it and it's interchangeable, but that's the difference. Let me get closer. Huh. Okay. So I bought this in a medium because I wanted it a little bit oversized. I didn't realize it was already called the big shirt. So it's too big. So I'm going to exchange this for a small. Hopefully they have it. I guess they can ship it to me if they have it online. Yeah, I hope they have it. So that's that. I have like I have a few white shirts like this, a few button ups. And then I bought a linen one. And this one is supposed to be oversized as well, but I got the medium and it's cut a little bit smaller, or it's cut differently, so it drapes pretty nicely. Can't go wrong with a linen blouse and or shirt. I need to go get some linen pants, some white. I have white linen pants. What am I talking about? But I'm not sure if it's this white or if it's a more cream. I have to check. So I got that, and then I got these pants, which I might pair with, or I'll probably pair with those. They're just some pleated chinos. That's what we used to call it back in the day. I don't know what they call them now. Khakis, I guess, but in blue. They have them in the khaki color and olive green. Okay, these are pretty. I don't feel like doing try on only because I have the Fenty sunscreen, which is tinted, and I'm not trying to get my white t-shirt stained. So I'm not gonna try this on, but you know, you guys will see me wear it at some point. And then I got these jeans. You saw these when I tried them on in the video when I was at the Gap. So these are the same jeans. What happened was I got them in a short, 30 short, thinking, all right, they're gonna fall just right, cause I'm short. I'm only like 5'2.5". Not like, I am 5'2.5". And when I got them, they were cut smaller, so the thigh area was tighter in the short. So then I just went back and exchanged them for the 30 regular. Is that it? Oh, the coat. So I found the coat in a small. Okay? It fits better. Hold up. Let me move you. I put my shirt back on because if I wore this, I would wear it with a sweater or another shirt, or not just a t-shirt. Probably not. So I just wanted to have a little bit of thickness added to it. So this is a small. The last one was an extra small, super tightino. But yeah, it fits way better. And I can actually close it and be okay. You know? It's not pulling like the extra small was. So yeah, I got it. I got it. Not only did I get it, I got it for an extra 40% off because, as you guys know, if you saw the last video, not last, but a few videos ago, I wrote in a comment update, it's 40% off right now, family and friends discount. So go get you what you're gonna get if you're gonna get anything. So yeah, that event is over. So if you didn't get anything, you missed out. Sorry, but I told you guys. Y'all need to start subscribing and clicking the notification bell, because I will tell you when there's a sale. You can count on that, okay? So yeah, that's it. All right, once Crane Bowers texts me so I can go pick up my cocktail coupe dessert glasses, I will show you them. I'll be back. And maybe we'll go into Crane Barrel together and see what's there. All right? I feel like I be like I be rushing through videos, like, cause I always think, and it's not always think, every time I record, something comes in, someone comes in the house, or something's going on outside, there's too much noise, etc., etc. So I feel like I talk rather quickly because I just want to hurry and do things before I get interrupted. So I apologize if it seems like I'm going too fast or like at a panic pace, because I'm going at a panic pace. Okay? All right. Oh, I don't think I told you guys. The scent of the day is, you know what the scent of the day is. I was going to wear something else, and then I looked up, and I saw this. I was like, oh, wait. I sprayed it already, but let me spray it again. Ooh, so special. Such a special scent. It's just warm and, like, I love it. Okay. Some glasses. These are these here. I don't know. Do I want them? I don't know. Definitely gonna get them. Pick up my. These are pretty. Oh, these are gorgeous. Oh, I like these. Very Versace-ish. I like that. All right, let me get my stuff. What's they got? Beautiful glassware. Oh, I saw these too. I want them. I can pick up my order.
Sure. What's name?
Chyna.
Chyna?
Yes. Chyna. You need the last name?
No.
Okay.
Thank you.
These are pretty. I saw these there too. These are actually, I like these. I like those. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna leave the smoke ones because I'm not too sure I want them. Yeah. What else? What else? What else? Oh, this is cute. You know I love a teacup. Espresso cup, rather. Oh, that's pretty. I feel like I should just wait until I settle on what I'm doing in the kitchen, in the dining room. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Those are pretty. What's this? Potion glass. Those are cute. Okay. All right, let's go. Let me see. Let me make sure they're intact. This is like a little than what I expected them to be. I think. I don't know. Looks are deceiving because I don't know. They're right. What was I expecting, right? I don't know. Alright. Just want to make sure nothing's broken. Alright. Alright, people. So, am I too far away? I think I'm too far away with this back. I feel like I am. Am I? See what's going on here? Oh, wait, didn't. Okay. So, I feel like maybe I was beasting for no reason. Not that cute, but okay. At first, when I was in the car, it didn't sound like, it almost sounded acrylic, and I was about to freak out. I knew it was glass, but hey, it's better. So these are them. I'm gonna put some ice cream in it, but I don't have ice cream. I gotta get my ice cream, my coffee Oreo ice cream from Banish. That is the only ice cream that I want at this point, or this other spot. It's a homemade ice cream that makes butter pecan. Homemade. Once you have that homemade stuff, you just don't want to go to the supermarket and get ice cream. So yeah, these are cool. So the smoke gray ones, I showed you them. They were okay. I feel like they look better online. Perhaps if I had like a, I don't know, a collection, I don't know, maybe a specific goal in mind, because I really don't know what I'm doing regarding like the kitchen, dining room area, transformation, etc. But these, I'm just making dessert in them when I want to be fancy in my house, in my own comfort, in my bed. I just want to eat dessert in a fancy glass. So that's why I got these. So yeah, 4 of them. They're, you know, they're cute. They're actually cute. They're gonna be cute. That's all. It took forever to come back. Traffic was ridiculous. I went at a silly time because rush hour traffic. But it's okay. I made it, guys. I made it back. Okay. You guys don't have to worry about it no more. Alright. Okay, so that is that. And I'll be back. Come, Paisley. You want to talk? You want to show your nails so I can show everybody your nail channel? Come, hurry, hurry, hurry. You this one of the ones that don't want to be on camera, but she got her nail business going. She did her nails. Her cute little nails. So I'm going to link her Instagram below. And you guys make sure you follow her nail page. I don't have an Instagram for this account, so you're going to follow hers. Okay? All right. Okay. Say bye. Bye. College tour. Heading to it. 6:30 in the evening. I'm tired. My daughter's already there because she had lacrosse today. I'm not doing my hair, so you know. And guess what? It's cold outside today because you know that spring weather's a little bipolar. Yeah, bipolar, not bipolar, bipolar. All right. I just want to say hi and bye. Wait, I was supposed to show you outfit of the day. That's so tired I am. Oh my, oh my. Okay, let's just pull this down a little bit. Okay. Oh wait, I got slippers on. You get the gist of it. You get the gist of it. I just threw on them jeans that I had on again because they weren't dirty. A little sweater. The hat because you know you saw how my hair look. And the match is cute with this coat. You know? Alright. And I don't want anybody to see me or say hi to me. I'm in that mood. It's the first day of you know what, and yeah. Okay. I'll see you guys later, maybe tomorrow, probably tomorrow. But that's what I wore, okay? That's all. Alright. I'm gonna go put on something on my feet. I don't know, whatever's at the door. Okay, changed my mind. The A6 got height to the heel. So my pants are not dragging on the floor like they are with the Samba. So that is what we're doing today, okay? Yes. All right. Later, guys.